guys. Hi, God. Daddy is driving. We are from Philippines Best and picking up our order.
Oh my god, yeah.
I will see if
It's
it is
200.
complete. It's 178. Oh my gosh, dollars. So we'll check later when we get home. What are those? Thank you. Hi, we just got home. Time to haul. Haul is that?
An hour, babes, it's up.
Let's check, guys. What's in here? Our list is here. We got Payless Chili Mansi. Oh, it's good. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 of this. Payless extra big. Coffee, my favorite coffee. 2 packs.
How much was that?
Margarine. Star. To make me
Fat.
and Argentina. They don't have the palm. We got 5.
That's one you didn't get that one last time, did you?
And we have sardines. Lego sardines. We got 1, 2, 6. We have 6. We have 6 Legos.
We can eat.
Yes, we can eat, and we have pandesal.
Yes.
Pandesal. I have this. And
You did get that. Take care.
oops. Super cute. Another pandesal.
God. One bag for me.
And this is it. The lechon kawali. Yummy. Oh my god, my hubby. It's yummy. My hubby likes this. And we have more here. The pancit canton. Three skyflakes. And yeah, there's one. And cake. The kasaba. Babes, look at them. Very expensive, guys.
No, yeah, very expensive.
Kasaba cake. But it
They look
is
bigger.
really good.
The other side is bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger, honey.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Go, leave that alone.
Hey, you think?
No.
And there's more here. Ginamos. Ano sa tawag ani? Pangasinan special bagoong. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Ito-try ko ito. Iwan ko kung anong... Itatry ko din ito kasi wala silang ginamos. At soy sauce. Honey, this is not 1 gallon. It is a quarter. It's okay.
It's like a hell.
And here it is. Frozen tulingan. $3.99 per pound. Tulingan. And the other one is it's all tulingan. Galonggong. Galonggong. The other one is galonggong. Yay! And that's it. And that's it, guys. Thank you. And that's it.